How's it going, you guys? I'm Zach Ray here at MarineMax Coco. Today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Dark blue hull color. And this boat is going to be powered by a white Mercury 300 Verado. Here on the stern of this 250 SDX, you have this massive swim platform, giving you insulated storage with a cooler. You've got other storage in here. And this super cozy little stern seating bench on this sun lounger. But the reason you call this boat Optimus Prime is because it transforms. So we slide this bench seat forward, move your backrest back, and then you've got all this room in your cockpit for some perfect seating inside here. Here in the cockpit of this boat, you've got cup holders everywhere. Here under the seat, so they're not in the way. And under here, you got storage for your cooler, one of the many coolers in this boat. You have your table storage right under here. This boat comes with two tables, one in the stern, one up in the bow. You've got your battery charger plug here. And looking up here, we've got this massive sports tower for all your wakeboarding, skiing, and all your water activities. Moving up to the helm of this boat, you're gonna see from the back of the cockpit, we got some more Megatron seats here. So these shift back and forth, depending on which way you'd like to seat, facing forward or backward. And you can really make this cockpit open wide up and have as much seating as you could possibly need on this boat. When you're ready to take command at the helm, we'll move up this bolster seat and get into position here so you can view your 12-inch Simrad screen, your Fusion audio head unit, all your switches. Right now I'm in the head of this boat, but I struggle to even call this a head because there's so much room in here, it's like a mini cabin. This boat does come with the upgraded audio package, so you're going to see these high quality Fusion speakers as well as the big subwoofers underneath the seats. Moving up to the bow of this boat, this is one of my favorite parts of the boat. You've got more cup holders everywhere, you've got storage underneath the seats, more cooler storage. That is the last of your 3 coolers that are on this boat. You have anchor storage there, as well as a 4-step ladder, because why not? And this boat comes with a insert, so you can turn this whole bow into a big sunbed. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you have any questions about this boat or want to come and see it in person, come see us at MarineMax Coco or give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next time.